Hello everyone, I'm Tim Justinger. I've been in the Air Force for 11 years. I do IT security for the hospital here at Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson here in Alaska. I have a Bachelor's in Health Administration. I also have a CompTIA Security Plus certification for doing everything I do in the job. It's my little home office area. I also believe you should never stop exploring. So like hiking mountains, going inside glaciers, experiencing brew houses. I mean, all kinds of cool stuff. I actually did my re-enlistment on top of one of the mountains here in Alaska. It was pretty awesome. I also run off of caffeine and love Monster. So I got a custom-made Monster bean bag chair when I was in Incirlik, Turkey. I was stationed there for a year. My fiance and I both love hiking, and here's our cute dog named Gucci. I'm also from Wisconsin originally, so I'm a cheesehead or Packer fan.